Hey Andy, so this is the code we had for the stoplight that we did back on last Monday. So up here I just did the setup where I declared what my outputs and inputs were. So 8 through 13 are the lights, and I denoted, I would later say that like 8 is green, 11 is green, 9 is yellow, 12 is yellow, 10 is red, 13 is red. And then for 2 and 3, this was the red light that I used for the red turn light, and this was the green for the turn light. And then this input was for the button, in case like a pedestrian came. So then you originally had to call the button state like unpressed, and then that was just what I called my T. So I could just reference T in the future. So then this is the if statement, like in case someone presses the button. So if it was pressed, or like if you attach it to the 5-volt thing, the T that we had declared is decreased to 500, otherwise it's just left at the 1000, and that caused the cycle to speed up. So the way that we set it up, it only checked for the pedestrian once per like cycle of like green, yellow, red, red, yellow, green for the each of the lights. Then it checked after that. It didn't check in the in-between. But like, so this is just the main what we started with. So it started with 8, or the green on Hewitt high, or on, and the red on Snelling off, or Hewitt or Snelling. We didn't change the time between two of them, but so it doesn't really matter which one we call them. And then it just stays like that for a time of 5 seconds until we tell it to do something else. And then green changes to off, or the 8 changes to off, and the yellow goes on. The 13 stays on. And it stays like that for 2 seconds, since the yellow is the change in between. And then the yellow turns off and the red turns on. It stays like that for a few seconds to avoid like immediate traffic problems. And then green on the road that was originally red goes on, and the green, wait, I figured out where I want to. So this is the 13, that's the red on the road, so that goes off because the green is on. And then the green goes off and the yellow goes on, and then the yellow goes off and the red goes on, and it stays like that. And this whole thing, the red on the other road is not being told to do anything, so it's just going to keep doing that. And then this is for the turn signal. So it originally starts with green and then transitions to yellow, and then it just goes off because it's like you can still turn, like yield on green is what we were thinking when we implemented that. And then it restarts the cycle over again.